Adri Tikla. Ang dulong pa man. Candidate number 8. O dami ito. Oh! Diba? Damon balon. Damon hakot nga kuan, audience. Oh! Diba? Yano lang yan, yano. Oh! Oh! Okay. Kaya lang yung manangingi. Candidate number 8. Sige padayon kay maupay ito. Oh, hindi mo niyo pa. Oh, ala damong props. Idaan sa po. Kadamon ko Candidate number 9. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 8. Oh! Di ba balerina? Yan na pala mamagitan, balerina nga kuan. Bastansya na ito yan. May split man ito yan, ha? Festival Queen. Candidate number 9. Oh, candidate number 10. Ang pinaka-virgin. Burot! Wala ba tayo mga kamay? Finally, our last, ladies and gentlemen, our last but certainly not the least candidate. Kita natin kung magandang dilag talaga. Diba? Very fiesta. Diba very fiesta sa ngayon? Bago niya na fiesta sa ngayon. And now, we'll have the parade of candidates. The parade of all candidates from 1 to 11. Siyempre, with the birthday celebrators.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade of not so extraordinary beauties. Let's say happy birthday to Queen Trisha. Queen Trisha. Queen Mother of 2020. She is wearing a red ensemble. Ladies and gentlemen, she is our birthday celebrator, Queen Trisha. And the parade of beauties. The parade of Reginas. Palakpakan nanay!
Oh, di daw kabut nga! Oh!
happy? May paragsalit.
May parag ano? Parag laba.
Oh.
Ria ka ba pawa, kabog?
Okay. Yan ha. Mahatag message sa atong birthday celebrator. Message na. Message na.
Hello everyone, good evening. Mapay gabi. O distance na kita 1 kilometer apart. Yeah, so damo nga salamat. Hangatan nga tao who made this celebration possible. Actually, this is 2-in-1 celebration. My 35th birthday and my Thanksgiving for winning the crown of Queen Managat. And now I'm waiting for the votes coming from our online judges. Okay, send ko actually a picture. And here are let's have our special award. So each special award will be receiving a cash prize of 100 million pesos. Ladies and gentlemen, wala pa ka.
Di ba, mams, kung nagpuang ka? Adi mo nung nga bati, adi mo nung nga yung nga bati.
I'm waiting for the result. Palagpagan na nanay para nato.
Surot-surot mo ito.
Ano natin pwede nga itong special award? Our first award is the most glamorous award. Our contest will be choosing 3 contenders for the most glamorous and pinakabongga mag-carry ang irakuan. Our first contender, ladies and gentlemen, we have Trixie. We have Lexi. And we have Janella. Our winner for this special award, the most glamorous award. Uy, wala ka tawaga.
Pahiyas?
Nakabidyo pa.
The most glamorous award goes to Lexi. Next award is our fashion forward Fiesta Sanayan outfit. Our fashion forward Filipiniana outfit contenders Joshua.
Libutan ay libut. Hala.
We have a Papa. And Emil. Our fashion forward attire goes to Emil. And now, add po ang atong result for the best in Filipiniana for the Fiesta Sanayan outfit. First contender, congratulations, Francisco Rampolio. Roland Noah Zeta. Joshua. Lexi. And Trixie. Here are